Vlog. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. Please let me do this before I have to turn. Okay, because I don't know like when the last vlog cut off, so I have to do an intro for this part. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. We're at Waterford Lakes and I'll put in the clips before this because now I have to drive. Wow, you're throwing yourself. That's why your bumper is hanging off. That person in front of me. She just threw herself. I've been being nice and letting people in, but she literally just like threw herself in front of me. So it is mayhem here at Waterford Lakes, you guys. We came to go to Sephora and why else were we here? Just Sephora. And it is wild. What time is it? 3:42. There's people everywhere. The traffic is just not moving. It's taking us longer to get out of Waterford than we spent in Sephora. Sephora was kind of packed, but the line went by fast. It's just wild. There's nowhere to turn. There's nowhere to go. Oh my god. But I had to come get a brown pencil. That's what's on the back of my hand. And I decided to just start vlogging because I was gonna vlog anyways, but we're barely moving, so yeah. Can you guys even hear me with the AC up?
Yeah.
So yeah, I always say that and it's so annoying. Like when I watch it back, I'm just like, oh, sometimes I just edit that part out because I'm like, so yeah, like after everything I say. We went back to the crystal shop again today because we forgot a couple of things. Sorry, I was gonna let you go, but you hesitated.
That woman was wearing a mask.
In her car.
Yeah.
I mean, do what you gotta do. So now we're going to Sally Beauty Supply to get some hair products and then home. I'm just gonna Uber Eats food. I'm not going anywhere like this. And this is where people start to act like they don't know what to do. If you hesitate, I'm gonna go. Come on. Sheesh. People get to the intersection and act like they don't know who has to go first. Anyways, I've been having a little bit of road rage. I definitely need to go home and like meditate or something.
Then ride. Rose up.
Rose up. Then back down. I'm gonna put music. We're still here.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. Cause I got...
We're back home. I'm gonna show you guys, back this up a little bit. There, that's good. Okay, we're back home and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what we got. It smells good. It smells so good in there. It smells like sage and like yummy incense. This is Ruby's bag. This is my bag once again. I got like tons of stuff, but it feels good. This bag is Ruby's. Ruby got some deep conditioners. That one. This one. Ruby has started her healthy hair journey. She's over here doing a little dance. That one. She had like a whole list of things that she found that she liked. That one from Sephora. So with our family this year, we're playing White Elephant. We've never done that before, but we're gonna do it this year. So these are the two gifts that me and Ruby picked out for our gifts for someone. I'm not sure who it's gonna be, so doesn't matter if they watch this vlog. They were having a 20% off sale at Sephora, so I wanted to get something so I could get the discount, but then obviously I got a bunch of stuff. No, I didn't get a bunch of stuff. Only got a couple of things. Sephora is just expensive. So I got a new perfume. I got the Mugler Alien Goddess. This smells so good. I usually wear, in the wintertime, I wear the Mugler Womanity, which is like my favorite perfume of all time. It's been that for like 8 years now. My fave. They discontinued it, but then they brought it back, so I have it again. And then I got the travel size for my purse. Fenty Beauty True Matte Primer. This is my favorite one. I got the full size and the small size for my travel bag. I also got 2 of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz. I got 2 different ones because I couldn't remember which one I used, but I think both of them will look good on me, so I just got both. And I got another one of my eye creams. That's why I went there, to get this and the brow wiz. And then I got a travel size Laura Mercier translucent powder for my travel bag. Okay, Sally. I'm not gonna show you everything that we got from Sally one by one, but we got a whole bunch of stuff, like tons of stuff, mainly for Ruby and some for me. So yeah, that's it for our little haul. Now we're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat. I'm not getting bento. Okay, we're back from Sam's Club. I had a bunch of groceries in that box. In this one, I put all the cold stuff away already. Now I'm going to put this stuff away, but first I'm going to clean the fridge. I just like stuffed everything in there, but I'm gonna wipe it down and organize everything in there. The pantry is a hot mess. Like, it's really bad. I don't even know how this happened. So I have no idea what that was stuck at the bottom of the refrigerator. Like under here, I think maybe it was almond milk. Maybe one of them were laying here and it spilled down to here, but it didn't smell. So I had no clue that was there. And here I was thinking like the fridge isn't that bad. I had to take everything out from the bottom and just like really wipe it down. It took forever to get that up. But this is where we're at right now. Hopefully I'm not shouting because I have my headphones on. But I'm gonna wash all of the produce and the fruits and store them in the containers like you guys have seen me do before. Probably put some in these 2 drawers now that it's all cleared out. So yeah, I have 45 minutes left on this memory card, so I'm not gonna film very much more of the fridge cleaning, but I'll film a little bit of the pantry organization because I have a lot to do in there. Feels so good to have my pantry organized again. I just swept all the crumbs and stuff out of the bottom. We have ramen, some canned and jarred foods, snacks and nuts and dried fruit and crackers, oatmeal, things like that. Got some cookies over here, pasta. So for this shelf, I decided to use these two areas for like leftover party stuff that I always use. So that's what I did here. Inside this is the leftover plastic champagne glasses. It's a lot more organized now. And yeah, I keep a step stool in my pantry because sometimes I can't reach things in the pantry or in the kitchen. So these all go in here. Is this garlic okay? I just bought that. Bananas. I have to wipe the countertops down and like load up the dishwasher and stuff. I'm also gonna put all of this recycling out. There's a bunch of boxes in there. I'm just gonna get it out now before it gets any darker. So this morning I'm gonna try to make my own matcha at home. I got this on Amazon. And I have a milk frother to froth the almond milk and my kettle. Update on what's going on right now. I'm making breakfast. We have some turkey bacon, salt and, ooh, got foggy. Okay, there we go. Salt and 1 boiled egg, so I'm making extra for snacks or tomorrow. Ruby wants scrambled, and I'm gonna make Emir a fried one. Over here, I have all of our veggies, not veggies, all of our fruits soaking in the veggie wash. And this one that you guys always see me use, and the containers I use, I always put these underneath to have them stay fresher longer. I have 2 towels laid out over there to dry everything up, but I'm gonna try this today. I use this for my spinach and salad. It's a salad dryer or just like vegetable dryer. I'm gonna try it on these today and see if it helps them dry faster so I can put them away. Got 11 minutes left on this memory card.